Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the surface perfect. Clean with isopropyl and a clay bar, then dry completely so the adhesive grabs. Once done, remove badges and trims and label pieces to avoid confusion later. You measure each panel and pre-cut the film with a 5 to 10 cm overlap so you have margin to work. Next, tack the film at the center and use low-tack tape to hold alignment. This prevents shifting while you smooth and position the wrap edges. You now focus on accurate positioning and controlled stretching. Heat the film evenly to around 40 to 60 degrees C so it becomes pliable without losing adhesive strength. Make a hinge. Secure one edge and peel backing slowly while you press the film onto the panel. Use a felt edge squeegee at about a 45-degree angle, working from the center outward in overlapping passes to expel air and avoid traction marks. For large curves, apply heat and small incremental stretches, then re-smooth to lock the film. You complete the wrap by trimming excess with a new, sharp blade, cutting carefully and leaving a small overwrap or 2 to 3 mm tuck where needed. Once trimmed, post-heat all seams and tight areas to around 80 to 90 degrees C to set the film's memory so it won't lift later. Then let the vehicle cool slowly for proper adhesion over 24 to 48 hours. Reattach trims and wash gently after 2 days. If you see lifting or bubbles, puncture tiny bubble center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.